In this video, I am going to show you how we can stop Spotify from pausing your song at random on your Android device. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, first thing is go to your setting, which for me is right here, right there. Here you have to scroll down until you have apps option. Here you have to actually find Spotify. Click on Spotify, then once you here, you actually click on battery option. Then right here you have three options: unrestricted, optimizing, restriction, which allow background activity. So you have to click on the restricted option. This will stop the pausing your songs at random on your Android device. I hope this video was a big help to you. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends.